Hello guys and welcome back. Get close. Let's look at how to withdraw PayPal funds from your PayPal into your bank account if you are in any unsupported country whereby PayPal does not allow you to create and withdraw PayPal into your local bank, and you have made or managed to create an account on PayPal that you are using it to receive payment online, but you find it difficult to withdraw. So I'll leave the link of this website into the first link of the description of this video. You can use that one. I'll also post it in the first comment of this video so that you can check it out. So if you come to the website, we have, this is the website, how it look, everything, and it's very good website that we've been using it, or I've been using it since it was launched, and it's very good and well. And you have any help or you need any help, they can help you through. If you come in, you can see a recent payment and a recent exchange on the platform. To create an account, you come to this tab called sign up. If you hit on it, you come in, enter your first name, second name, your email address, your password, you confirm your password, you enter your number, and then you solve this security code out here. Then hit on agree and hit on sign up to sign up. When you sign up, it takes you to the next screen. That screen, you are going to make sure and you verify with your legal document like your passport picture. You have a passport picture, you have an ID, you have a voter driving license and stuff. And in Ghana, we use Ghana card. That is what we use here. So I've already created my account. I'm going to log in to this account. So I enter my password, my email address, then I hit on login. So I've logged into my account. This is my account, and this is the my balance that I have on this account right now here. So let me go to my dashboard out here. To go to the dashboard, we have the screen here. I'll hit on this one, then I hit on dashboard. So this is my dashboard here, and this is the amount of money I have on my account. You can deposit money, you can withdraw, and you can exchange the amount of money that you have into a different account right here, right? So to make an exchange, we have it here, we have the dashboard, we have a start exchange, the exchange that we have made, and payment history. We have referral, we have my review, and other stuff, and your account verification. You can verify your account. You have amount on your account, you can withdraw it. We have deposit here. We have to edit your profile account, you can edit it right here, right? So let's go to how you can make a scene. So before we go, if I've watched to this far, you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe, leave us a like by liking this video. If you subscribe, hit on the notification bar, so anytime we drop a video, you get notification of it, right? If you have any question, any problem on your PayPal account, you can let us know in the description section. And next video, I'm going to show you how you can create a PayPal account, use it in any unsupported country with no issue or no wahala, and you use this platform to withdraw your PayPal account. And we'll show you, if you want to link your card to that one, I'll show you a place that you can get a virtual dollar card that you can use to link to that PayPal account too. So let's come to today's. So we come to exchange here. That's my exchange here. I'll hit on this one. It will take me to this side. So this side, send me the kind of platform that I'm going to send the money from into the receive me, the platform that is going to receive the money. So this one, I'm going to send from PayPal to any wallet that I will select here. So I will choose here. We have a lot of banks here that you can select, right? We have bank transfer Nigeria, we have other a lot of countries here, or you can change it to Payee. You can change from PayPal to PayPal. Philippine Momo, okay, so those who are in Philippines, so Rwanda, Tanzania, Uganda, and other states, Zambia, all these people cannot make exchange on this platform. In Ghana, I'm going to choose Momo, or I will choose Eversend, because I have Momo and Eversend, and I have Binance Pay too, but I will choose Momo here. So I will choose Momo. Okay, so for the Momo, then I hit on exchange. We have 3 steps that we are going to go into it. So the first step here is I will type the amount of dollar I want to send from my PayPal to. So in case I want to send $20, I will enter $20 here. When I enter it, it will automatically do the exchange for me to know the amount of money I will receive here, right? So in case I hit on, I want to exchange for $10. This is the amount of money I will receive. If you check here, this is the exchange rate, or the amount of their exchange rate here, and they will check the exchange rate here. Okay, so $1 is ACD in my country here. So it depends on your country and the kind of platform that you want to transfer to, right? So the next step, I hit on next. That is I've selected my payment method and start. So here is the number on my account. I will check if it is valid and my email address is valid. The number that I want to use to receive the payment, okay, your own number if any issue. So you enter your own number. You can enter both of the numbers, right? If that number is what you are going to use to receive the payment, you can enter that number here, then you enter another number here. I enter my number here. I come to this side too, I enter the same number, then I will agree to the terms and condition, then I hit on next. From here it will take me to the next step. The next step is here. There, what I'm going to do out here is, and they have our, it says our PayPal account details, pay directly, copy now. So you can copy the PayPal address here. Okay, you come here, this one they are going to take it automatically. So you come here, then you enter the exact dollar amount here, then you hit on pay. So it will drag you straight to the next step that you will do it. But I'm not going to pay any money, but I will use this one. So this one, you copy the code here, go to your PayPal account, transfer the money that you have into your PayPal to the PayPal account that they give out to you here. So you go in, sign to your PayPal account, then you transfer the money to the code that they gave you here. That's what the Eversend code that they gave to you here, right? So if you do that, then you come in, you take a screenshot of what you did out there, everything that you did out there. Then you come to this side, you write it, you enter the number or the Momo number here, okay? You enter everything here, what they have recommended here, you enter them here. Then you come to the proof here, then you submit the proof, the screenshot and the video that you took out there, you are hot, submit it here. Then you hit on confirm. So they are going to confirm everything from the platform to verify and know that what you are saying is true, so that they can make that exchange for you, right? So that's just a simple method, right, for transferring from PayPal to your bank account. So let's look at how you can transfer from bank wallet into your PayPal account or someone PayPal account. This here, I come here. So to do that, this is PayPal, right? So I'm sending from Momo. So I'll choose Momo to which platform, to PayPal. So I'll come here and select PayPal here. That's all for my PayPal account. Then I hit on exchange. Same method, you enter your amount of money and other stuff. You can enter in dollars. So in case I enter in the next step, you check for everything. You do as we did on the first step. You go to the next step, you do everything step by step. So once you are done, you submit your proof and other stuff. It will take a few minutes time so that they will approve your payment and make your exchange for you. It's just a simple method. So this is how you can transfer from PayPal into your bank account or from your mobile wallet into your PayPal account. The link is in the description and in the first comment of this video. You can check it out. And if this video add value to you, kindly subscribe and give us a like. Next video, if you want me to PayPal account, let me know in the comment section. I'll make a video about it. Very easy and simple method. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.